Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Martyrs Day 2024. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Martyrs Day, also known as Shaheed Divas, is observed in India on January 30th annually. This day is also observed as Mahatma Gandhi's death anniversary. On 30th January 1948, Mahatma Gandhi was shot at Birla House compound in New Delhi by Nathuram Godse, who had opposed Gandhi's views on the partition of India. Martyrs Day serves as a day to honor all those who sacrificed their lives for the country's freedom and progress. Let us now talk about Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the legendary advocate of peace and non-violence, was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. In 1893, he moved to South Africa to represent an Indian merchant in a lawsuit. In 1915, he returned to India and soon started organizing farmers and urban laborers to protest against discrimination. He initiated the Satyagraha and Ahimsa movements against the British colonial rule. He dedicated his life to India's struggle for freedom and also led nationwide campaigns against untouchability and poverty. He was also an advocate of women's rights. Gandhi, who is fondly referred to as the father of the nation, was a staunch advocate of non-violent methods against British rule that had lasted for over 2 centuries. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, Martyrs Day marks the death anniversary of which Indian freedom fighter? Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai, or Mahatma Gandhi? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.